Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to send disappearing photo in Telegram. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Telegram application, and then you need to open chat or group chat where you want to send your disappearing photo. So first of all you need to click on the little icon at the bottom left corner. Here it is. And then you need to choose any photo you want to send. For example, I will choose this photo. After that, at the bottom right corner you will see a little button send. All you need to do is to press and hold on that one button, and then you will see three different options. You need to click on the last one, send with timer message, and then you need to choose how much seconds. For example, I will set 7 seconds, and then you need to click on the send with timer button. After that, this person will have only 7 seconds to see this photo, and moreover he won't be able to take a screenshot or save this photo. And that's all, and that's how to send disappearing photo in Telegram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.